In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a survey in Typeform with ease. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, this guide will help you through the process smoothly in about 5 minutes. First things first, open up your browser and head over to www.typeform.com. This is the home base for all things Typeform, where you can either create stunning surveys from scratch or use templates to speed things up. Once you're there, locate the login button in the top right corner of the homepage and give it a click. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but if you're a returning user, you can go ahead and sign in. You've got options when it comes to logging in. Enter your email address and password if you have them handy, or if you prefer, you can sign in using your Google or Microsoft accounts, among other options if you've already linked them. Once you've put in your credentials, click that login button to get started. After logging in, it's time to create your survey. You'll find the Create New Typeform button, which is your gateway to building your survey. Click it and you'll be prompted to decide how you'd like to proceed. You can import questions from Google Forms or opt for a more AI-assisted approach. However, today we'll be starting from scratch to give you a clearer understanding of the process. Now, you're in the window where you can start adding the essential elements of your survey. Typeform offers a variety of question types to suit different needs. You can choose from multiple choice questions, short text for brief responses, long text for more detailed answers, yes/no questions, ratings, and even picture choice if you'd like to make things more visual. To add a question, simply type it out and then list possible answers or options below. Once you've added the questions you need, it's time to let your creative side shine by customizing your design. Click on the Design tab on the left side of the screen. Here you have the freedom to change themes, adjust colors and fonts, and choose a background that best represents your brand or personal style. With the visual design done, navigate over to the Settings tab. This is where you can tweak additional features like making questions required, allowing multiple selections, randomizing order, or enabling a respondent to add an other option. Before going live, it's always a good idea to test your survey. Click on the Preview button to see how everything flows from the perspective of a participant. If it looks good and functions well, it's time to share it. Head to the Share tab where you can copy the survey link or grab the embed code to share your survey via email, social media, or directly on your website. And there you have it, you've just created a sleek Typeform survey in just a few minutes. Happy surveying.